Hello, my name is Legina Howie, and I'm a statistical research scientist at the CDC's National Center for Health Statistics. I have the pleasure of guiding you through our Health Data Interactive website. In just 3 short videos, I will walk you through how to use these detailed tables, drill into data, and display the information that you need. In part 1 of the HDI website tutorial, I'll show you how to access the HDI website, how to open tables on the site, and provide an overview of the table orientation. First, let's go to the Health Data Interactive website at the address you see on your screen. Once you're on the site, take a look at the box in the center of the page labeled Table Topics. All tables on the website are organized into these 7 topical folders: Health and Functional Status, Healthcare Use and Expenditures, Health Conditions, Health Insurance and Access, Mortality and Life Expectancy, Pregnancy and Birth, and the last one is Risk Factors and Disease Prevention. Based on the topic you're interested in, locate that folder and click on it. If you're not sure which folder to select, you can use a search box like this. Type a health subject that you are interested in into the search box, which will give you a list of tables that include that subject. But it's sometimes just easier to browse by folder and topic as you get used to this site, so you get to know all the tables that are available to you. So now, let's open a table, which I'll use to give you a quick overview of how our tables are structured. We're going to use the low birth weight table as our example. That topic is located in the Pregnancy and Birth folder. Once I locate the folder, I click on it, and I get this list of available tables within the Pregnancy and Birth folder. I'll select low birth weight, which is the first table in the list. Now the table is opened up, and I can see the first view of the table. As you can see, the table has 7 variables. Birth weight and maternal age are shown in the columns, and location is shown on the rows. The other 4 variables on this top white bar include measure, which refers to number, percent, number of live births. Statistic, which includes the estimate, 95% confidence interval, upper and lower bounds, standard error, and relative standard error. Race, ethnicity, and finally year. The goal is to get a table that contains the information that you want. For even more flexibility in customizing your table, the variables on the top white bar have additional options that are behind the current table view. Each of these 4 variables we have seen, measure, statistic, race, ethnicity, and year, have 2 additional arrows with which to browse through the additional options. Here's how. For example, if you click on the arrow in the race ethnicity variable, the table will change from showing all races to the next category, which is white race. And here are the results. You can browse through the categories for all of the variables on the top white bar by continuing to click on the arrow. There are also small blue eye icons for each of the variables, as well as one after the table title. These indicate wherever additional information can be found. When I click on the eye icon for the birth weight variable, explanations are shown. Here's the variable name birth weight. Here's the description, infant low birth weight in grams. Under the notes section is additional information about the topic. And there's even more to look at. I can use the back button to return to the table. When I click on the eye icon next to the table, a full summary of most of the variables is shown. As you can see, explanations are available for the table as a whole, for variables such as we saw for birth weight, and for categories within a variable. So that wraps up part 1 of the tutorial. We've looked at how to get onto the HDI site and view a table. You might want to try opening a table before continuing with the tutorial. Part 2 of the tutorial will explain how to browse, select categories, and customize your view. If you have any problems so far, assistance is available.